Hello guys, this is Mauro from PrimaInfoTech.com, and on this video we'll look at the steps to check, enable, and disable sets on Windows 10. Set is simply a new experience that allows you to group apps into tabs, which is something inspired after the web browser. While working on a project using the web browser, users typically keep multiple tabs in the same window, and they switch between them as needed. The same idea is what Microsoft is experimenting with sets, but with the difference that sets will extend to all applications. For example, using this tab experience, you can start working on a Word document while looking into additional content to bring to your project from OneNote or from a web page using the same window, which you can then also resume in other computers. Or at least that's the idea, because currently sets is only available with limited features. Basically, as you can see right here, you can only see a basic interface, and when you open a new tab, it will only open a Microsoft Edge tab. Also, it is only limited to Microsoft Store apps. For example, in settings, you will see that I can open new tabs, as well as on the Microsoft Store, which is also an app. But the current plan is to expand this feature not only to Store apps, but regular desktop apps as well. There are two ways to check if Sets is available to you. First, Sets currently is enabled by default on certain installations. So if you open a Microsoft Store app, such as the Settings app, Microsoft Store app, or other apps that come from the store, you will see now that you can open tabs just like you will do on Microsoft Edge, as you can see right here. And you can also go to settings, and then on multitasking, you need to make sure that you have this section, tabs in apps. If you see this section, Sets is available on your computer. If it is not enabled, you will see that the option is unchecked, but to enable the feature, simply check the option and restart your computer to apply the changes. In the same way, if you don't find a use for this feature, you can simply clear this option and restart your computer. Just remember this is a work in progress and the feature is still a little buggy. Also, we currently know it as Sets, but if the feature ever makes it into Windows 10, Microsoft will certainly change the name to something different. And that was a quick view of Sets on Windows 10 and how to check, enable, and disable the feature on your computer. For additional details about this feature, make sure to check the video notes below. Remember to like the video, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for viewing.